Hello student, welcome to your chemistry lab. Today I am discussing Wurtz reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction and Fittig reaction of organic chemistry. It is a name reaction and it is also part of reaction mechanism. Here we are discussing example of the reaction, limitation of the reaction and application of reaction, and also some question and answer. So it is important for JEE and NEET and also board. So read very carefully. Now we are watching the whiteboard. Wurtz reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction and Fittig reaction. First we are discussing Wurtz reaction. Alkyl halide, when treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, give an alkane. This is called Wurtz reaction. In this reaction, two molecules of the alkyl halide interact with the sodium metal. So the alkane will have double the number of carbon than the alkyl halide. Here first, two alkyl halide react with sodium, form alkane in presence of dry ether. First example, methyl chloride react with sodium in presence of dry ether, gives ethane. Second example, ethyl bromide react with sodium, form butane. Here number of carbon is double. Mechanism. Free radical mechanism as well as an ionic mechanism are proposed. First, free radical mechanism. First, alkyl halide react with sodium, gives alkyl radical, that is the R dot, and X negative react with sodium, form NaX, and 2 R dot means 2 alkyl radical combine to form a alkane. And second one, formation of organosodium as a intermediate, that is the ionic mechanism. Alkyl halide react with sodium, form a R negative Na positive plus NaCl, and R negative react with alkyl halide, form a alkane. Limitation of the reaction. If the same alkyl halide is used, the alkane containing odd number of carbon atom or unsymmetrical alkane cannot be prepared. If different alkyl halide are used, a mixture of alkane is formed. As their separation is not easy, it is not a convenient method to prepare such alkane. Means propane, pentane, heptane are not prepared by this reaction, or methane by this reaction. First, it is a general reaction. Here Rx, that is the alkyl halide, plus sodium, and R dash X means here R alkyl group are not same. In presence of dry ether, gives R dash and also gives R dash and RR, that is the mixture of alkane is formed. And this is the example. Here methyl bromide and ethyl bromide are used in presence of dry ether. It is formed propane, ethane and butane. So we can prepare propane by this method. Here two different alkyl halide are used to get propane, but propane is formed, but here also form ethane and butane, that is the mixture of product. It cannot be separated easily. So unsymmetrical alkane means odd number of alkane cannot be prepared by this method. Application. It is used in converting lower alkane to higher alkane. Now example, first methane react with Cl2H nu, that is the free radical mechanism, form methyl chloride, and react with sodium and diether, that is the Wurtz reaction, form ethane, and again Cl2 and UV light is used from ethyl chloride, and again use sodium diether, that is Wurtz reaction, from a butane. So one member carbon, that is methane, converted to 4 member carbon, that is butane. Intramolecular Wurtz reaction. Here CX bond are present in one molecule, that is here cyclobutane. React with sodium in dry ether, form bicyclo 1,1,0 butane. Here two CX bond react each other, form bicyclo, that is the compound. And next example, here 4 CCl bond are present and react each other, form spiro 2,2 pentane. So it is the intramolecular Wurtz reaction. Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Haloarenes, when treated with an ethereal solution of alkyl halide in presence of sodium metal, form a alkyl derivative of benzene proceed via free radical mechanism. Means one aromatic halide, one aliphatic halide are used or react with sodium, form alkyl derivative of benzene. First example, here chlorobenzene and methyl chloride react with sodium in presence of diether, gives toluene as a major product and diphenyl, that is the minor product, and also form ethane, that is the minor product. It is a Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction. Haloarenes, when treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, produce diaryl. The reaction proceeds via free radical mechanism. Here use two aromatic halide, that is the chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. Means here we are used aromatic halide, form a diaryl. Now this is the example, chlorobenzene react with sodium, form diphenyl. Ullmann reaction, when the iodoarine is heated with copper powder in a sealed tube, gives diaryl, and this reaction proceeds via free radical mechanism. It is similar to Wurtz reaction or Fittig reaction, because in Fittig reaction we are use sodium, here use only copper powder, and this is the example with copper in sealed tube gives diphenyl. Frank-Land reaction, when alkyl halide is heated with zinc powder, higher alkane is formed, that is the reaction Ri, react with zinc, form alkane and zinc iodide. That is the problem. First complete the following reaction, first one and second. Two questions are given and we are discussing the answer. Answer. First, this compound react with sodium gives A. We are find out A. Here this compound have two types of halide bond, that is CCl bond and CBr bond. We are see now which bond is more reactive. Means here bromine and chlorine atom are present, and out of bromine and chlorine, CBr bond is more reactive than CCl bond. Hence CBr bond is broken and followed by Wurtz reaction. The final product is this, that is the final product, that is the A is this compound. Answer of second question. This is the question and we are find out A, and here one type of CX bond, that is the here CCl bond are present and both CCl bond are equal strength and are broken simultaneously and gives that bicyclo compound, that is bicyclo 110 butane are formed. So thank you. I think you are enjoying to watch my video. I think you are understanding the reaction and also clear all the point, and if are not clear, so comment me and I will be reply to you. So thank you everyone. Bye bye.